Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Saraswati Education Group Bhadra June, and this is our class 7th subject maths, our chapter 1st and exercise number 1.3. Okay, so now here, and this is video 1 of exercise number 1.3. Okay, so now here we are just starting with our question number first, which is find each of the following products. Find each of the following. Find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. A is, our part A is 3 multiplied with minus 1. Part B is, what is our part B? Minus 1 multiplied with 2 to 5. Part C is minus 21 multiplied with minus 30. Part D is, what is our part D? Minus 316 multiplied with minus 1. Part E is, what is our part E? Minus 15 multiplied with 0 and further multiplied with minus 18. Okay, after that part F is minus 12 multiplied with minus 11 further multiplied with 10. What is part F? Part F is minus 12 multiplied with minus 11 further multiplied with 10. Okay, part G is 9 multiplied with minus 3 further multiplied with minus 6. And our part H is minus 18 multiplied with minus 5 further multiplied with minus 4. Part I is minus 1 multiplied with minus 2 further multiplied with minus 3 and after that multiplied with 4. Part J is minus 3 multiplied with minus 6 further multiplied with minus 2 in the end multiplied with minus 1. Okay, so we will start with a basic rule, which is whenever we are starts to multiply, first we have to multiply the given signs, after that the numbers. Okay, so if we will multiply two like signs, like we will multiply plus with a plus, then we will definitely get a plus. Okay, and one more pattern is there of like signs is minus gets multiplied with minus, then also we will get plus. If we will multiply plus with plus, we will get plus, and minus with minus, then we will also get a plus. Okay, and if we will multiply plus with a minus, then what we will get is minus, and if we will multiply minus with a plus, then what we will get is again a minus. Okay, so this pattern we will get. Now I am just applying this pattern on these questions. Okay, so our first one is when plus multiplied with a minus, we will get a minus. Okay, after that 3 into 1 is 3, so our product is minus 3. After that minus, when minus gets multiplied with a plus, then we will get a minus, and 225 gets multiplied with 1, then we will get 225 again. Okay, and here also when minus gets multiplied with a minus, there is a plus, and after that when 21 multiplied with 30, then what we will get is 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, this is 630. Okay, and after that when minus gets multiplied with a minus, this is a plus, and 361 are 316. Okay, this is our answer. And after over here, देखो यहाँ अपने देखेंगे कि भाई ये ये चूँकि यहाँ जीरो है ना, जीरो बीच में, ये ज़ीरो जब किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा और सारे पैटर्न में मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, कहीं पे एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है, तो ये पूरा ये ज़ीरो की वजह से जीरो का मल्टीप्लाई इसके साथ होगा ज़ीरो, वापस फिर ज़ीरो का मल्टीप्लाई इसके साथ होगा तो ज़ीरो, तो यहाँ पे ज़ीरो आ जाएगा। ठीक, आगे देखेंगे अपन पार्ट एफ में। देखो माइनस मल्टीप्लाइड विद माइनस इज अ प्लस, एंड व्हेन प्लस गेट्स मल्टीप्लाइड विद अ प्लस देन आल्सो प्लस। ओके, वन मोर थिंग ओवर हियर, व्हेन वी आर गिवन माइनस साइन सेवरल टाइम्स, है ना, काफ़ी बार जब दिए गए हो माइनस साइंस, तो उसमें ध्यान रखते हैं जब माइनस साइन 1 टाइम हो, 3 टाइम हो, 5 टाइम हो, 7 टाइम हो, जब इस तरीके से माइनस साइन हो यानी ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स अगर आ रहे हों, तो ऐसे में अपन देखते हैं कि ऐसे में हम क्या करते हैं, हाँ ऐसे में हम जब इवन नंबर ऑफ ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स अगर आएगा जैसे 1 3 5 7, तो वो मल्टीप्लाई होकर माइनस देगा, है ना, और अगर इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स आएगा जैसे 2 4 6 8, है ना, तो वो मल्टीप्लाई होके प्लस देगा। ठीक, तो यहाँ पे देखो वो 2 टाइम है ना, थर्ड तो है ही नहीं, तो 2 टाइम्स है, इसलिए इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स है, इसलिए मल्टीप्लाई होके क्या आएगा आपके प्लस आएगा। ठीक, अब देखो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो 11 इंटू 12, 12 इंटू 11 इंटू 10, देन 12 इंटू 11 इज 132, 12 वन जा 12, 2 1 कैरी, 12 वन जा 12 प्लस 1 इज 13, सो दिस इज 1 2 1 3 2 एंड 0 बिकॉज ऑफ दिस 10। ओके, ये मल्टीप्लाई हुआ ना अभी 10 के साथ, इन दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, 10 का रह गया, तो 10 का मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो क्या होगा 1 1 3 2 0, दिस इज आवर आंसर। ओके, now our next one is what? Next one is this one. Whenever we will multiply a minus with another minus, then we will get a plus, and when 9 is multiplied with 3, this is equals to 27, and 6 is remained, so 6 is over here, 6 7 ja 42, 6 7 ja 42, 2 4 carry, 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, this is 162 is our answer. Okay, now our next question is what? Minus sign is coming 3 times. Okay, so whenever we will multiply, we will get a minus sign. After that we have to multiply 18 with 5 and further with 4, so this is equals to 18 into 5 into 4 is 20, this is equals to minus 18 to the 36, 18 to the 36, and this is 0, this is minus 360. Our next one is I. Here we are seeing our minus sign is coming 3 times. Okay, so whenever we multiply a minus sign 3 times, then we will get a minus, as I have already taught you about this. Okay, when 3 is multiplied with 2 is multiplied with 3, this is 6, and further multiplied with 4, then 6 is multiplied with 4 is 6 4 ja 24, so our final multiplication is minus 24. Okay, after this whenever we will multiply minus 4 times, minus 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 minus, then what we will get is a plus, because minus is coming even times or 4 times. Okay, after this 6 3 ja 18, and 18 2 ja 36, this is our 36, so our answer is positive 36. Okay, so our next one is question number second. Question number second is what? Our question number second is verify the following. Verify the following. This is our part A, which is 18 multiplied with 7 plus minus 3. Okay, now 18 multiplied with 7 plus 18 multiplied with 7 plus 18 multiplied with minus 3. 18 multiplied with 7 plus 18 multiplied with minus 3. Okay, so here in our part B, I am just writing part B also along with our part A. Question number second in our part B is, what is our part B? Minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 added with minus 6. This is equals to minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 plus minus 21 multiplied with minus 6. Okay, so what is our question number B? What is our question number second, part B? Our question number second part A and B. Okay, so this is our part A, which is 18 multiplied with 7 plus minus 3 equals to 18 plus 7 and 18 multiplied with minus 3. Now we have to show whether this LHS is equals to this RHS or not. Okay, so here we are seeing our LHS equals to 18 multiplied with 7 plus minus 3. Actually we have to verify, means we have to prove that this side is equals to this side is exactly equals to this side, means our LHS is exactly equals to our RHS. Okay, what is LHS and RHS? Let me explain first. LHS is left hand side, and RHS is right hand side. Here this is our LHS, means left hand side, and on the other hand this is RHS, means right hand side. So what is our left hand side? Actually we are having two hands. This one is right hand, so the side coming onwards this hand or on right side of the equal sign is called RHS or right hand side, or the side coming on the left side of equal sign is called LHS, means left hand side. Okay, so now what we will get is 18 multiplied with 7 plus minus 3. When minus multiplies with a plus, then it will be a minus again, and this is 3. Okay, 18 multiplied with what? 7 minus 3 is 4. 18 4 ja, what is 18 4 ja? 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 18 4 ja 72. Okay, this is 72. Now I am going to take our RHS. Then what is our RHS is 18 multiplied with 7 plus 18 multiplied with minus 3. Okay, we will take 18 as common, and then it will be very easier. If we will take 18 as common, then we will left with a 7. Okay, after that this plus sign comes, and after that this bracket comes. Okay, and inside bracket there is minus 3. So this is equals to 18 multiplied with 7 minus 3 is 18 into 4, and 18 4s are again 72. Here we are seeing our LHS is exactly equals to our RHS, hence we can say our result is verified. Okay, our next one is this one, where I have to take our LHS as minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 plus minus 6. This is minus 4 and again this is minus 6. Okay, so this is equals to minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 and minus 6 is minus 10. Okay, minus gets multiplied with minus, we will get a plus, and 21 multiplied with 10 is 210. This is our answer, which is 210. Okay, after that in our RHS what we will get is, this is our RHS, which is minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 plus minus 21 multiplied with minus 6. Okay, now whenever minus gets multiplied with minus, we will get a plus, and 21 gets multiplied with 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and plus again minus multiplied with minus is a plus, and 21 gets multiplied with 6 is 6 1 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12. This is equals to 84 plus 126. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 will be carried over. Okay, 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 1, 1 is also carried out. This is equals to 210. Now here we are seeing our LHS was 210 and now our RHS is also 210. So here our LHS is exactly equals to our RHS, hence the result is verified. Okay, so our next one is, next one is question number 3rd, which is question number 3rd part. First is, for any integer a, for any integer a for any integer small a, what is minus 1 multiplied with a small a equal to okay, what is minus 1 multiplied with a small a equal to? So here, for any integer small a, what is minus a multiplied with small a equal to? Actually this multiplication is solely depends on the sign of a. Okay, but here we are seeing sign of a is given as plus. Okay, so what will be the multiplication? Multiplication will be minus gets multiplied with plus, this is a minus, and 1 gets multiplied with a, this is minus a. Hence our answer is minus a. Okay, our part second is question number 3rd part second. Answer can vary as ever the value of a is given. Okay, question number 3rd part second is, determine the integer whose product whose product with minus 1 is, whose product with minus 1 is. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. Part A is minus 22, B is 37 and C is 0. Okay, now here we are saying this is our minus 22. Listen, if we have to get the product as minus 22 by minus 1, then we have to multiply a positive number with minus 1, then only we will get a product as negative. Hence in our part A, this is when minus 1 is multiplied with 22, positive 22, then only we will get minus 22. Hence our answer is positive 22. Got it? Next one. Our part B is, what is our part B? We have to make product as 37 and this is positive. If this is positive, then what we have to do is we have to multiply a negative integer with this negative one, then only we will get positive 37, positive answer. Okay, so our curriculum is minus 1 when minus 1 is multiplied with minus 37. Okay, so our answer is minus 37, then only we will get product as positive 37. Okay, if we are getting 0, then obviously minus 1 is multiplied with 0, then only we will get 0. So this one is answer. Okay, now I hope you all got it, got all the answers. Okay, now I am moving towards our part 4th, which is exercise 1.3, and part 4th is starting from write various products showing some pattern to show that this one. Question number 4th is starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products, starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 gets multiplied with minus 1 equals to positive 1. Now here I am seeing we have to take 4 more patterns. So what we will do is, when minus 1 is multiplied with what? Minus 2, then it is, listen, minus gets multiplied with minus, then it is plus 1, and which is multiplied with 2, then our final answer is 2 only. In our part B, I am going to take what? -1 multiplied with -4, then what we'll get is minus gets multiplied with a minus, this is plus, and this is +4. Now our part C is -1 gets multiplied with -3, then what we'll get is minus gets multiplied with minus +3. Okay, in our part D we are taking this is -2 and getting multiplied with -5. So minus gets multiplied with minus, this is a plus, and 5 gets multiplied with 2, 5 to the 10, this is a 10. Okay, I hope this example, these examples are sufficient, and if you will take some more example then can also be taken, and answers given in your answer sheet can vary with these answers. Okay, so no problem is there, examples can be taken enormously many. Okay, so answers will definitely vary, आपकी बुक्स में अलग आंसर दिए गए होंगे, ठीक है, लेकिन क्या है कि ये एग्जाम्पल तो हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, इसलिए मैंने ये ले लिए, ठीक, आपको आ गया होगा. नंबर 5 इज फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट यूजिंग suitable properties. Find the product using suitable properties. Find the product using suitable properties. Our A is 26 multiplied with -48. 26 multiplied with -48 plus -48 multiplied with -36. This is what this plus, actually we have to solve this. Find the product using suitable property. Here we are seeing 48 is common in both these terms. देखो भाई, जहाँ प्लस या माइनस का साइन लगा होता है वो टर्म्स होते हैं, ठीक है. तो इस टर्म में, फर्स्ट टर्म में और सेकंड टर्म में -48 कॉमन है, तो इसको बाहर निकाल लो -48 को. तो -48 कैन बी टेकन आउट. अब -48 चला गया, क्या बचा अंदर 26, प्लस यहाँ से -48 चला गया, क्या बचा अंदर -36. तो देखो ये हो गया आपके -48 इंटू 36 से 26 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, क्योंकि साइंस अलग अलग है ना, यहाँ प्लस पॉजिटिव साइन है, नेगेटिव साइन है. तो कितना आएगा 10. अब 10 का साइन क्या होगा, तो नेगेटिव साइन बढ़ा इसलिए माइनस होगा, ठीक. तो देखो ये माइनस जब मल्टीप्लाई होगा इस माइनस के साथ तो प्लस आएगा. 48 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 10 इज वी विल गेट 480. सो आवर आंसर इज positive 480. Okay, I hope you all got it. Fifth, part A. Question number 2, part B is question number 5th, part B is, sorry. Question number 5th in our part B is what? 8 multiplied with 53 further multiplied with 125. Okay, and part C is listen, this is your homework. अब मैं आप लोगों को होमवर्क देने जा रहा हूँ. एक तो देखो भाई, जितना भी अभी तक करा दिया है ना, उतना सब आप व्यवस्थित रफ पहले फेयर नोटबुक पहले रफ नोटबुक पे लिखें, वीडियो चलते चलते, है ना, पॉज करके, है ना, इस तरीके से. और फिर या जो भी आप लोग बैकवर्ड करके, फास्ट करके देख के, है ना, एंड आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद आप लोग जैसे पहले तो लिखें पूरा प्रॉपरली रफ नोटबुक पे, फिर उसकी फेयर नोटबुक भी मेंटेन करें. जब आप लोग स्कूल में आएंगे ना तो मैं चेक करूँगा, यहाँ चेक की जाएंगी सारी चीज़ें, ठीक है ना. तो सभी के आप रफ और फेयर नोटबुक प्रॉपरली मेंटेन करें, ठीक. चलिए भाई, अब मैं आपको कुछ होमवर्क देने जा रहा हूँ, वो देखिए आप. तो पार्ट बी इज़ दिस वन, पार्ट सी इज़ व्हाट? Part C is 15 multiplied with -25 further multiplied with -4 and after that minus 10. In our part D, what is here? Minus 41 multiplied with 102, and after that this is part E, 625 multiplied with minus 35 plus minus 625 multiplied with 65. After that our part F is 7 multiplied with 50 minus 2, and after that our part G is, what is our part G? Part G is minus 17 multiplied with minus 29. Our part H is, what is our part H? Minus 57 multiplied with minus 19 and further multiplied with positive 57. Okay. Now minus 57 multiplied with minus 19 and added by 57. Okay. These are H means 8 parts. These are our 8 parts. Okay, first one I have solved for you, and rest all the parts are very simple. This is your homework. Actually you have to, this is your homework. Okay, HW, you have to solve these all parts up to H. Okay. Okay guys, we will meet in our next video with some more questions, means question number 6. Okay, bye bye.